Now, you probably know that making money with Clickbank products fast without any website is by running Bing ads, and that's simply because with Bing ads you can actually link from your created ads directly to the product sales page you are trying to promote using just the hop link of the product from Clickbank. But there is a little thing that you need to do before your Clickbank hop link is accepted on Bing. Keep watching to find out. Hi there, I'm Winston, and in this video I'm going to walk you through what you need to do to make sure that your Clickbank direct linking campaigns works. So if you don't want to create a landing page, or maybe you don't even know how to create one, direct linking will help you start making money on Clickbank. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you are interested in making money on the site as an affiliate solopreneur, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, if you still do not know, the most effective method of making money online as an affiliate marketer is by sending your targeted audience to a landing page that will help pre-sell them before they get to the product sales page. But creating a landing page requires that you have a website and a page builder tool, and those two can be very expensive depending on your preference. So by linking direct to the product sales page, you'll be taking out the landing page, which is what most Clickbank affiliates are doing with Bing ads. Actually, direct Clickbank linking is only allowed on Bing when it comes to paid advertisement. Google, YouTube or Facebook ads don't allow direct linking. So now, how do you go about linking directly from your Bing ads? Well, first you will need to select the product you want to promote from Clickbank. If you don't know how to select the best product to promote on Clickbank, make sure to check out the link that pops up on the top right of this video. So after deciding on the product you want to promote, click on the promote button next to the selected product and you'll be taken to this link generation page where you have to type in your Clickbank ID and your tracking code if you want to use it, but in this case it's not necessary. Next is clicking on the generate button below to generate your hop link. Now you want to head over to Bing Ads Manager to start creating your ads. Now you want to click on the campaigns tab here because ads are created under campaigns, and then click on the create campaign button. Next is selecting the first option here that says visit my website because you want to send people who click on your ad to a website which is your product sales page. Then you want to give it a campaign name. Now, a campaign name is just any name that will help you quickly identify the campaign. It's not going to be public, this is just going to be for you. Next is selecting this third option here below to specify the country you want to run your ads on. Of course, if you are running a Clickbank product like we are doing in this case, I will recommend you to run your ads in the United States because that's where the most online market is. Next is deciding who should be allowed to see your ads. Now, as you can see here, there are two options. You want only targeted people in your chosen location, not people searching for or viewing pages about your targeted location. Next is making sure that you select English since it's the national language of the United States. When you are done, click on the save and go to the next step button below. On the next page, you want to give it a group name that you easily identify. Next is entering the keyword that you want to target. In this case, I'll just go with the broad match of the product name. Now, usually there are three types of keywords you can use in this area. You have the broad match keyword, phrase match keywords, and exact match keywords. The broad and exact match keywords are differentiated with quotes and brackets respectively. Some people choose to use the plus sign in front of the broad match keywords instead of the quotes. So how does this all work when your ad goes public? Well, when people make a search on Bing using the exact keyword or key phrase, your ad will pop up for them to click on it. For the broad keyword or key phrase, if a potential buyer searches using other words plus the broad keyword or key phrase, again, your ad will pop up for them to click on it. So in this case, since I just want potential buyers who are searching for this product, I'll just put the product name as a broad match keyword. Now, when you have that all set up, click on the save and go to the next step button below. This is where you'll be doing your direct linking, which of course is the topic of this video. So to get started, click on the create ad button here. Now, here is where you should start paying attention. You want to add the final URL, which is the link of the sales page you want your targeted audience to visit when they click on your Bing ads. So, since in this case we are doing direct linking to the product sales page, the product sales page link should be the final URL link you want to copy and paste here. Now, you don't have to copy the complete link. Instead, you want to just copy the main link, which usually ends with a .com or any extension. Now, I know at this point you probably might be thinking, how is this connected to the affiliate link that you want to promote? Well, this is just to let Bing know what landing page you want to send your visitors to, and if the link is the same with the affiliate link that you want to promote in your ads. So after adding the link, you want to start creating your ad by adding a headline and any offers that the product owner is offering. You also want to give your ad a description, a little bit about the product you are promoting with a call to action if possible. Now, when you have all that set up, click on the add URL option here below. And here is where you'll find where to add your affiliate Clickbank product link. So you want to go back to the link generation page and copy the Clickbank product hub link and paste it in this area here. You can also add tracking words here if you choose, but in this case I'll just make things simple by leaving that empty. Now, to test if your direct linking is working, click on the test button here below, and as you can see, Bing has gone through and tested the link and found it. Now, if Bing happens to test the link and it's not working, you'll see some kind of error message here below. But if everything works well, you'll see the found message here below. You can now go ahead and save your ad and it will be reviewed and posted to the public. Usually, in my experience, it doesn't take long for Bing to review your ads before posting it to the public. You can now go ahead and start setting up small campaigns like this on Bing using Clickbank products and start making some side commissions. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.